You are watching second part of top 10 cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. Let's talk about Litecoin. Litecoin, launched in 2011, was among the first cryptocurrencies to follow the footsteps of Bitcoin and has often been referred to as silver to Bitcoin gold. It was created by Charlie Lee, an MIT graduate and former Google engineer. Litecoin is based on an open source global payment network that is not controlled by any central authority and use script SNPOW, which can be decoded with the help of consumer grade central processing units (CPUs). Although Litecoin is like Bitcoin in many ways, it has a faster block generation rate and choose offer a faster transaction confirmation time. Other than developers, there are a growing number of merchants that accept Litecoins. As of March 14, 2022, Litecoin has a market capitalization of $7.4 billion and a per token value of around $106, making it the 21st largest cryptocurrency in the world. Cardano. Cardano is an Ouroboros proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that was created with research-based approach by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptography experts. The project was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 initial founding members of Ethereum. After having some disagreements with the direction of that Ethereum was taking, he left and later helped to create Cardano. The team behind Cardano created its blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind the project have written more than 100 papers of blockchain technology across a range of topics. This research is the backbone of Cardano. Due to this rigorous process, Cardano seems to stand out among its POS peers as well as other large cryptocurrencies. Cardano has also been dubbed the Ethereum killer, because its blockchain is said to be capable of more. That said, Cardano is still in its early stages. Though it has beaten Ethereum to the POS consensus model, it still has a long way to go in terms of DeFi applications. Cardano aims to be the world financial operating system by establishing DeFi products similar to Ethereum's, as well as providing solutions for chain interoperability, water fraud, and illegal contract tracing, among other things. As of March 14, 2022, Cardano has the 8th largest market capitalization at $26.9 billion, and one ADA trades for around 80 cents. Polkadot or DOT. Polkadot is a unique POS cryptocurrency aimed at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. Its protocol is designed to connect permissioned and permissionless blockchains as well as oracles to allow systems to work together under one roof. Polkadot's core component is its relay chain, which allows the interoperability of varying networks. It also allows for parachains or parallel blockchains with their own native tokens for specific use cases. Where Polkadot differs from Ethereum is that rather than creating just dApps on Polkadot, developers can create their own blockchain while also using the security that Polkadot's chain already has. With Ethereum, developers can create new blockchains but need to create their own security measures, which can leave new and smaller projects open to attack because the larger blockchain, the more security it has. This concept in Polkadot is known as shared security. Polkadot was created by Gavin Wood, another member of the core founders of the Ethereum project, who had differing opinions about the project's future. As of March 14, 2022, Polkadot has a market capitalization of roughly 17.4 billion, and one dot trades for $17.59. Bitcoin Cash (BCH). Bitcoin Cash (BCH) holds an important place in the history of altcoins because it's one of the earliest and most successful hard forks of the original Bitcoins. In the cryptocurrency world, a fork takes place as the result of debates and arguments between developers and miners. Due to the decentralized nature of digital currencies, wholesale changes to the code underlying the token or coin at hand must be made due to general consensus. The mechanism for this process varies according to the practical cryptocurrency. When different fractions can't agree, sometimes the digital currency is split, with the original chain remaining true to its original code, and the new chain beginning life as a new version of the prior coin, complete with change to its code. BCH began its life in August 2017 as a result of one of those splits. The debate that led to the creation of BCH had to do with the issue of scalability. The Bitcoin network has a limit of the size of blocks 1 megabyte. BCH increases the block size from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes, with the idea being that larger blocks can hold more transactions within them, and the transaction speed would therefore increase. It also makes other changes, including the removal of the segregated witness protocol that impacts block space. As of March 14, 2022, BCH has market capitalization at around $5.5 billion and a value per token $286.97. 6. Stellar, or XLM. Stellar is an open blockchain network designed to provide enterprise solutions by connecting financial institutions for the purpose of large transactions. Huge transactions between banks and investment firms, typically taking several days, involving a number of intermediaries, and costing a good deal of money, can now be made nearly intentionally with no intermediaries and cost little to nothing for those making the transaction. Thus, Stellar has positioned itself as an enterprise blockchain for institutional transactions. It is still an open blockchain that anyone can use. The system allows for cross-border transactions among any currencies, Stellar's native currency in Lumens. The network requires users to hold Lumens to be able to transact on the network. Stellar was founded by Jed McCaleb, a founding member of Ripple Labs and developer of Ripple Protocol. He eventually left the role with Ripple and went to co-found the Stellar Development Foundation. Stellar Lumens have a market capitalization of about 4.4 billion and are valued at around 18 cents of March 14, 2022. Thank you for your attention. That was second part about other coins than Bitcoin.